guys, welcome back. So I'm tying a few wee buzzers. So I just decided to throw the camera on to use this one. Now the hook and the vise is a Amazon P175 and size 10. I really tie size 10s and 12s on the straight shanked hook and 10s and 8s on the B100 or the B110. Now the thread we're going to use is the Ultra thread in 70 in black. So I'll just come in and get our measurement where we want our sort of thorax and around there, and then just work our thread back until we're past the point of the hook. Now the body is a natural peacock quill that's been stripped. Just offer this up to the hook. We'll catch this in on the way down to there. Then the body itself is the pearl tinsel, the ice blue and medium. So the buzzers are coming all sorts of colours, and it's one of these wee flies that you can play about with. Let's catch in our ice blue. We'll just work our thread forward. I want to put a wee bit of a taper into it, so just spinning the thread anti-clockwise just to keep it flat. Back up. Back down a wee bit, then back up again to there. Just to stop the thread from bouncing around. Just want a wee half hitch at that point. Then we can bring up our ice blue. And you're going around about 4 turns or so up the body. At that point there, fly this around with our thread. A couple of turns will catch that in. Come in, trim away the waste. Then we're just going to come up with our stripped quill just in between the gaps. Of the ice blue. Just gotta be gentle with the quill. It's very fragile. Then just work our thread forward to the hook. Bring away the quill. Bring our thread back down. I'm just going to come up onto the last piece, just at the wrap of the quill. Just want a decent thorax, and then we're just going to build this up a wee bit with the thread. Now the wing buds, these are just goose bats that have been dyed a fluorescent yellow, so we're just looking to come in, clip them away. Now you can take away, if you want, the broader part of the biot. You can always clip away the edges. It's not all the time that I would clip away the edges, so just coming around loose turns just to catch in the 2 goose bats. I just want to see what way I'm sitting on this side. It's a bit better now. Now I'm just going to spin the thread again anti-clockwise just to get it to flatten out. And then I want to build up the thorax. Now the thorax size is really up to you. There's people who like them thin, sort of way like that. Then there's people, anglers, who really like them chunky. I just always try and go somewhere in the middle of the road, basically. Or basically just where I would like it to be. So just have a wee check. Just going to spin the thread again. This is the most time consuming part of these flies. There's the thorax, just having the wee check now. That's going to do me there, so I'm just going to come in again. Just do a wee half hitch into the head area. And then we're going to come round with our biots, just bring them over. Get them to where you want. And just tighten up with the thread turns. See where we are. Just have a wee check. Both sides. That's staying on. And then just tighten up. By keeping your thread tight, you're really better to break those off. Don't let your thread go. Just come straight in with your whip finishing tool. You can just build up your head at the same time. Now, to protect it, you can come in with a coat of super glue, a couple of coats of varnish, which I would rather do at times, but I'm just going to come in with a drop of UV resin. I'm not a great lover of this stuff, to be honest with you, as you will see from some of the videos, but just sort of let that sit. And I always do the thorax area first. Just come in with my needle then and just spread it round. And then I just keep it on the move. And then I'll come in and just light it up with the torch. I would rather super glue it and then varnish the fly at times. It just depends. I think most people like it with the UV resin. Then just the body, just a wee blob, if you like, onto the body, and then come in with your double needle and bring it down onto the hook as well, so it'll protect the body at the back. And there's loads of these patterns out there. There's tinies, like I say, all different colours and shapes. They're good fun to start off tan for the beginner. Now, I'm happy with the shape, so I'm just going to come in and light that up again. Just make sure it's well cured. So we check, yep. Just put the torch out of the way. Now, before I finish off, I always like to come over this with some varnish. And this clear varnish that I'm using is actually Sally Hansen's As Hard as Nails. And then there you go, guys. That's just a wee ice blue buzzer pattern. Like I say, you can tie it on the curved hooks if you wish. That's up to you. You can also change out the cheeks. You can also have different colours of quills. That's golden olive, crimson, red, natural. There's 1 or 2 packets over there. So all the colours, any colours that you want for the body. But tie a few of those up, let me know how you get on. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first video time watching one of my tan videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. Until the next time, folks, be good. And if you can't be good, be careful. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.